two words that determine the quality of your marriage. Two words that determine whether you win or lose in marriage. The first word is attraction. What is attraction, by the way? Attraction is the action or power of evoking interest, liking, or pleasure. That's attraction. Evoking liking or pleasure for something or someone. Do you want to be the attractive spouse? The irresistible spouse? The spouse that cannot be ignored? There's a secret, friends. The way to become the attractive spouse is to meet your partner's needs. You see, marriage is about meeting needs. When needs are not met, people are uncomfortable, they are nitpicky, they are discontented, they are miserable. But on the other hand, when needs are met, people feel validated, they feel important, they feel like life is purposeful, they feel affirmed, and they feel like they always want to be in your presence. That's the secret to becoming the attractive spouse. You must be in the habit of meeting the needs of your partner. By the way, if you'd like to learn more about what his needs are and what her needs are, I'll leave a link in the description below. You can check that out. Because there's a lot of people who are trying to meet their partner's needs, but the partner is still unhappy, still miserable, still angry. Why is that so? It is one thing to be trying to meet your partner's needs, but there are many who are trying to meet their partner's needs, but they don't know what those needs are. And because of that, the partner is still uncomfortable, still unhappy. So you must know what your partner's needs are if you are to meet their needs. Now let me share something with you today, that men and women are wired differently. And so they want their needs to be met differently. And so you must do a study, an exploration of what the needs of a man are and what the needs of a woman are, if you are to be an expert in meeting the needs of your spouse. You have noticed sometimes your wife or your husband is unhappy, always nitpicky, always angry and bothered. What's really happening here? They are really screaming, please meet my needs. So the question is, are you meeting the needs of your spouse? You see, friends, marriage is about meeting needs. Sometimes I give the definition that a great marriage is the union of two servants in love. Marriage is about serving your spouse. So people say, well, I'm not a servant. I'm not going to be serving my spouse. Forget about that. No, well, you don't understand. You must develop the mentality of a servant if you are to have a great marriage. Marriage is about understanding the needs of your spouse and meeting those needs. So you're serving your spouse. The other word I want to share with you is the word repulsion. What is repulsion, by the way? A feeling of intense distaste or disgust. That's repulsion. Is your partner being repulsed by you? Is your lifestyle repelling them, turning them away from you? It is things they do, it is just who you are, your personality, just your habits, your communication style that may be turning them off and repelling them, pushing them away, a feeling of distrust and distaste. Friends, if you are to be a great spouse, you must possess what we call emotional intelligence. Ask yourself this question every day. How do I make my spouse feel when they are in my presence. That's emotional intelligence. Understanding your own emotion and understanding the emotional needs of others. How does your spouse relate to you? How do they feel when they are in your presence? Do you make them feel like they don't measure up? Well, that's ingredient for repulsion. You're always criticizing them, you are berating them, you are eroding their self-esteem with your negative words. You're always seeking to verbally assassinate them and to let them know that they are not good enough. When you do that, nobody really wants to be in your presence. And so, sometimes I tell folk this: do not marry a negative person. And if you're already married, it is time for you to work on your tongue. For what you say in your marriage, your tongue you can either speak life or death in your marriage. So, don't repel your spouse. But on the other hand, utter the words, be liberal with the words that validate them, that affirm them, the words that make them feel important. When they come home in the evening, for example, if it's even sweet nonsense. Honey, you must be tired today. How do you mean I'm tired? Yes, you must be tired today. Why did you say that? You must be tired today, for you kept running in my mind all day. If it's even sweet nonsense, but love them with your words. Validate them, edify, build them up, inspire their better nature. And hence, you motivate them to become their best. Are you an attractive spouse? Go forth and magnetize your spouse today and make your spouse feel like a superstar. Hi, this is Lloyd Allen. If you'd like to receive more videos like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's because I decided to store all my videos in one place in my YouTube channel. And so if you'd like to be notified, press that notification bell as well, and then you'll be notified whenever I release a new video. Also, will you please like and share this video so we can expand the reach of the ministry. And if you have a question, do me that favor. Just ask your question in the comment section below. We'll seek to address them as we progress. Love you, Lloyd Allen again.